Like parents, they took us out for ice cream because हम दोनों भयानक डाइट पे थे.
काफी भीख मांगी गई, काफी सारे मैसेजेस से बॉम्बार्ड किया गया.
Nobody is going to take me because I'm Vicky's brother or because Vicky is a fab actor. तो सनी तो हो गए.
Hey guys, this is Hitesh Malik. You're watching me on Bollywood Live. और आज मेरे सामने बैठे हैं दो ऐसे शख्स जिनमें बहुत है शिद्दत प्यार करने की. Please welcome Radhika Madan and Sunny Kaushal. Welcome guys to the portal. How are you doing?
Doing great, Hitesh. Thank you so much for having us.
First of all, congratulations. The trailer looks promising, and you know, सबसे बढ़िया बात मुझे इस मूवी की लगती है कि गाने इतने अच्छे हैं. Like मेरा personal favorite बन चुका है बर्बादियां, and I think it's gonna be my next party number. So congratulations, guys, and tell me how was it shooting for the film?
It was a wonderful experience. It was quite a ride. We shot this. हम 2 साल पैंडेमिक हो गया था, पर हम बीच बीच में कुछ ना कुछ शूट करे जा रहे थे. So we've been attached to the project so much. Now, the whole team has become our second family, and it made me change my perspective about love a lot. So it'll always be really, really close to my heart.
Yeah, absolutely. What she said, because it's ये फिल्म ने यार कुछ नया दिया है हमें, अपनी रियल लाइफ में भी. Because the film is about, it simplifies everything, especially the concept of love जो आज के ज़माने में इतना complicated हम करके रखते हैं. And to be able to play a character like Jaggi, who wears his heart on his sleeves and who is there in every moment, whether he's loving somebody, whether he's not, or doing anything else, he's always there 100%. And that was really, really refreshing to play.
So how was it to audition for this? Like I've heard Sunny telling in an interview, basically he met Dinesh sir and then he said, okay, Kunal se mil lo. But uske baad kya hua? How did you get into the character and how was the audition?
Okay, so the first audition was bad.
Okay.
मुझे first audition के बाद लगा कि picture तो गई.
क्या हुआ था?
हाँ, and then KD said कि यार, the intense scenes you can pull off really well, but I'm worried about the lightness that Jaggi has, that always smile on his face and that kind of thing. So I said, sir, मुझे थोड़ा सा और time दे दो, I'll come back and then you decide. And I think I gave another round of audition for him, and that's when he thought probably कि हाँ, मतलब वो भी इतना कुछ ऐसा नहीं था कि मैंने कैरेक्टर पकड़ लिया उस ऑडिशन में, but I think he saw something of potential in it and said that okay, we can work from here. And then we had a lot of readings actually, me, Radhika, with Mohit and all of us together and everything. So after that, and then we got onto the filming.
So what did you do wrong in the first audition and what did you make improvements in to get the second part right?
यार पता है क्या wrong मुझे नहीं पता. I think I got the whole idea of Jaggi very differently. Jaggi's idea of life is very pure. मतलब वो आज का लड़का है, स्ट्रीट स्मार्ट है, इंटेलिजेंट है, सब कुछ है, लेकिन वो मोमेंट में जीता है. वो कभी भी ना कोई कुछ भी चीज अधूरा नहीं छोड़ता. उसका ना एक क्लियर मोटिवेशन है लाइफ में जो उसको ड्राइव करता है. सो आई थिंक आई डिडंट क्वाइट कैच ऑन टू ऑल दोज थिंग्स दैट मेक जग्गी. एंड मैं एक नोशन से आ रहा था कि मतलब हैप्पी गो लकी कैरेक्टर प्ले करना तो फिर तो ऐसे ही करना होगा, हैप्पी गो लकी कैरेक्टर को प्ले. देयर वर नो लेयर्स इन इट एंड आई वाज जस्ट प्लेइंग विद द नोशन ऑफ व्हाट प्रोबब्ली जग्गी इज, till I realized that I need to dig deep into his psyche and his heart and see what actually makes him to be able to play.
Okay. Radhika, how was it for you? How did you get into the character?
Actually, I was supposed to do Shiddat before Angrezi. I was in the office, at the office for Shiddat when I spotted Homie and when I begged him for...
I know the story.
So Shiddat has been with me since a long, long time. But Kartika's character was really difficult for me to crack because she's so different than me. She is so cerebral. She overcomplicates stuff in her head, compartmentalizes everything, even love. So, a lot of readings with KD, a lot of whys, why she does what she does, and creating her own world. So that was pretty challenging for me. Plus, I don't think that Kartika expresses a lot through words. Because she does it because she knows that if she speaks the thing, it will be true. so she doesn't want to face that. So it's I think her graph is in her eyes. So I
Okay.
hope I tried my level best to do that. I hope it comes across. I hope it connects. And but that is something that made Kartika exciting for me, and the project really exciting for me.
नो वंडर आप लोगों ने सच में इस मूवी के लिए बहुत मेहनत किया. वो ट्रेलर में दिख रहा है. टॉकिंग अबाउट योर केमिस्ट्री यार, यू नो इट इज जस्ट किलिंग एवरीवन. इट इज सो गुड. सो आई वांटेड टू नो कि हाउ इज इट ऑफ द सेट. Like, was the vibe same, or what kind of fun moments you guys have that you will never forget?
Yeah, off the sets we were pretty chill. Yeah, we were like friends, but we were like we were working every day. We never really got a chance to chill with each other while we were shooting, except for that
Okay.
one night where Katie Sonali took us to ice cream.
Oh yeah.
That was a sweet moment. That was I think one of the rare occasions where we actually went out and we sat down for dinner, and very sweetly Katie and Sonali, Sonali is Katie's associate and wife, they like parents, they took us out for ice cream because हम दोनों भयानक डाइट पे थे. और वो हो गया था शूट उस चीज का. हम लोगों का वो चंक पूरा शूट हम लोगों ने कर लिया था. तो उन्होंने बोला आओ बच्चों तुम्हें आइसक्रीम खिला कर लेकर आए. So that was a sweet moment.
I think that is the most special moment for me as well. But Sunny is such an easy person to be with. Such a fine actor, such a professional. And if two people give their all to their work, then they are those characters. And the chemistry just comes. You're not trying to be those characters, and you're not trying to build a chemistry. It's just there. Like when we used to look at each other in a shot, I could feel everything that he was throwing at me, and I hope Sunny was feeling the same way.
Yeah.
So there was a beautiful exchange of give and take, which I think really made the chemistry work. And I hope when you see the film, it connects with you
I'm so
more.
excited to watch.
So we can just keep our fingers crossed, and we can just hope that it connects because we felt a lot of things.
Okay. Sunny, I would ask you this question. There is very fine line between shiddat and toxicity. So, while you were playing this character,
Yeah.
how did you tell yourself कि किस zone में रहना है? So, was it difficult थोड़ा, क्योंकि ना बहुत मुश्किल होता है कि आप एक scene कर रहे हो, लिखा तो वैसा ही हुआ है, but it can come as toxicity. But I think you've managed very well. So, how did you do that?
So very interestingly, that was one of the main points of discussion even when we were reading for Shiddat. That at no point should it come across, because we knew that it's not toxic. We knew it's pure love. Okay, but how do you translate it to the audience? How do
Right.
you perform it in a way that the audience feels the difference, and audience says कि नहीं यार ये प्यार है. And there is a very thin line. There's a very thin line.
Right.
Right. So we had to keep going back, and the only thing I can tell you is that we had to keep basically digging into the motivation of his character. कि ये जो भी बोल रहा है, ये जो भी कर रहा है, ये क्यों कर रहा है?
Conviction है एक.
हाँ, एक conviction है. Also, the difference I would say is कि if it comes from a selfless place, then that's passion, that's love. If it comes from a selfish place, that becomes toxic. And Jaggi, whatever he's doing it from a selfless place. He's not doing it because यार नहीं मुझे तो कार्तिका से प्यार है तो मैं तो यही करूँगा. वो नहीं है इसका.
Right.
इसका उल्टा है. इसका he's doing it for Kartika. He's doing it because he believes in that love and he wants to give that love a chance, and he wants everyone to see it. So it's that he's very clear in his head while he's doing it, so nothing can waver him, nothing. And we had to keep going back to that. We had to keep asking. Like there were times where we were reading and we had to break down scenes which seemed very normal at first, but then when we got into the reading, we realized that no, we need to dig deeper into it. We need to dig deeper into it. Things got changed then, at that point, because we were like, no, we need to change it in a certain way, place it in a certain way, say it a certain way. so that it doesn't, so that his motivation always stays intact.
Great, great. Radhika, my next question to you is that, you have been very vocal about professionally where you always wanted to be, and right now you are at that spot you always dreamt of. So, of course, you have said in multiple interviews also that, you're very happy about, being here currently because this is what you always wanted to be, and you don't feel bad about even if there is so much of, hard work goes into it, or maybe you don't find any time, but you're so happy at where you, like right now, are because you wanted this. You've been very clear. So my question to you is, when you were, struggling for this thing, what was your perspective then? And is it exactly the same? Or what is the difference if there is any?
I think it's even better.
Oh, okay.
Have this notion that when we'll be flooded with work and you won't get time to sleep, then you'll get snappier and you'll just take things for granted. And because हमने वो सब movies में देखा है ना, तो हम उसी से relate करते हैं कि मतलब success means rude, then treating people below you and whatnot, and वो चीज एक आ जाती है, तो तुम्हें लगता है कि you somewhere fear the success as well, or work as well, because you feel that, oh, I'm not that person. But when, like right now, I'm not there, but I'm somewhere in between, and I'm enjoying the fact that I'm somewhere in between. But you know what? If you love your work so much, if you love being in front of the camera so much, and you find your freedom there, you find the realness there, and you are the most authentic self there, then it's a dream. It's a dream. You don't complain. You're already in a better mood. And because you're in a better mood, you treat people very nicely. You treat yourself nicely. So I would say that it's even better. And I would want to continue this till my last breath.
It's so inspirational to hear this from you, and I'm sure after watching the interview, people will get inspired. And kudos to you. You have definitely been really struggling hard to reach wherever you are, and I know that in future you'll reach where you want to. Sunny, I want to ask you one thing. Can you tell me one situation where being Vicky Kaushal's brother was a blessing or a hurdle to what you wanted?
I don't think that's ever happened.
Okay.
Because
it could be a blessing. It could be like yes, it helped you. It could be like it was a hurdle. So either of situations.
No, I'll tell you why it's never happened is because in terms of work, like people in the industry, they understand that even if two people are from the same family, they have their own different journeys. Why, like if you say that, okay, if it's a blessing, like in terms of it's helped me or something, nobody is going to take me because I'm Vicky's brother or because Vicky is a fab actor, तो Sunny तो हो गए. ऐसा तो नहीं होता.
Right.
So we have our own journeys, and because of that, there's no hurdle as well.
Okay.
So it's very clearly we are. ऐसा भी नहीं है कि हम consciously we are trying to etch our own different paths. ऐसा कुछ भी नहीं है because we don't put in that much thought in it. It's from the outside perspective that you feel कि ऐसा होगा शायद, being brothers or if Vicky is established right now, so ऐसा कुछ तो होगा कि शायद कुछ help हुई होगी या शायद कुछ नहीं हुआ होगा, but ऐसा कुछ भी नहीं होता because we are living.
It is more neutral.
Yeah, it's neutral because you're doing what you need to do. Like, he's doing in his life what he needs. He has his own goals, personal, professional. He's trying to achieve those. I have my own goals. I'm trying to achieve those. At the end of the day, we have the same blood in our veins, but we are two different individuals, right? It's like a third person might have some other goals. They are trying to achieve that. So it's the same thing. So it doesn't affect either of us in any way just because we are related.
Great. Okay, guys, अभी मुझे बताओ कि after Shiddat, what are you working on? What are your next projects? People are definitely, we're waiting for Shiddat, but what next? Radhika.
I am doing a web series with Maddock, and Homie, who directed Angrezi, is directing it. And after that, I have Kutte with Vishal, and Asman, his son, is directing it. And I have a project with Gio, which is pretty interesting, but I can't talk about it a lot. So these three projects are these are what I'm doing next.
ग्रेट यार, मुझे एक बात बताओ, अंग्रेजी का फिर आपको ऑडिशन मिला कैसे फाइनली? बिकॉज यू टोल्ड कि वहां पे आपको मना कर दिया था उन्होंने, उसके बाद क्या हुआ दैट यू गॉट द ऑडिशन?
काफी भीख मांगी गई, काफी सारे मैसेजेस से बॉम्बार्ड किया गया, और उसने पिटी में मेरे को बोल दिया कि इसका यार ले लो, मैं और परेशान नहीं हो सकता, इसका बस ऑडिशन लेके रख लो,
खत्म करो।
Literally that. It was literally that. It wasn't ki, oh, okay, let's do it, all the best. It wasn't like that. It was just ki, just stop troubling me, take her audition.
You must have done really great job. फिर उसके बाद भी आपको you got the part and you've done so well. So I must say you must have done really.
Auditions, it wasn't ki पहली बारी में, oh God, I had to give 4 rounds of auditions. I had to, there were a lot of look tests because they wanted me to look 17, 18. And I'd done Pataka, so I had that weight on me. Like I was 12 kgs heavier. So, like kudos to them, yeah. They believed in me so much. मैं तो मतलब हर एक actor ही पागल हुआ होगा to work with Irfan sir and the star cast that was there. But kudos to them, and I'm so grateful to them that they believed in me at that time.
Great. Sunny, what about you? What are your future projects?
Yeah, after Shiddat, there is a film called Vardhan, which is me, Nusrat Bharucha, and Vijay Verma. So that's on the thing, that's done. Will be coming out soon. There are a couple of other interesting projects as well, yeah, but वो थोड़ा मैं अभी बात नहीं कर सकता उसके बारे में.
Okay.
But yeah, interesting.
But have you guys been reading scripts as well?
Yeah, absolutely. That.
So what kind of roles you are really looking up for?
What kind of roles? I mean, I don't know, yaar. I take each script as it comes, each character as it comes, because you don't know, there are so many characters to play in the world. So I don't know what kind of roles I'm looking forward to. If there's something really interesting that comes my way, interesting story, then I'll definitely go ahead with it.
Radhika, what about you? Do you have a specific thing that you really want to play certain character? Is it that?
I think whenever I bind myself to a specific role that I want to do or to a specific character that I want to play, it just restricts me. So like Sunny, I'm like open to anything and everything. Whatever makes me jump out of the bed, whatever makes me shit scared, I will do that script. I will do that role like the next day. I'll say yes.
Great. With that, I would like to wish really good luck to you guys for the film, and I'm sure it's going to be very well received by audience because आप लोगों ने बहुत मेहनत किया, वो ट्रेलर में दिख रही है, और जाते भी I'll say यार म्यूजिक बहुत अच्छा है, and it's on a personal note.
Thank you.
So, all the best, guys, and I hope we talk next week. We talk about the success of the film. Have a great day.
That's so sweet. Thank you so much.
It was amazing talking to you guys.
Same here. Thank you.
Please, talk to you. Bye bye.